Hello there, in this video I'll be showing you how I made 1 minute mug velvet cake. 4 tablespoons of flour. If you're new here, click the subscription button. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 1/8 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoon oil. 1/4 teaspoon red coloring. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix properly. 3 tablespoon milk or yogurt. Please keep stirring till it becomes smooth. This is quite optional, but I added a little chocolate chips. You can as well bake with the mug you use for mixing, but I transferred mine into another mug. Microwave for 1 minute. I added 30 seconds to mine. Depending on the microwave, some bake for just 1 minute. Hope you haven't forgot to subscribe.